Most free RDP methods online either stop working after a few days, ask for a credit card, or lock you behind endless verification steps. But today, I'm going to show you a method that still works and can get you access to a free Windows Cloud desktop in just a few minutes. So make sure you watch carefully and follow every step properly. No complicated setup. No weird errors halfway through. Just a clean method that actually runs smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll have your own high-speed RDP ready to use, step by step. No confusion. Stick with me so you don't miss the one step most people mess up. And if you like real working methods, hit subscribe. This video is sponsored by KeysFan, a platform that offers affordable official software keys with online activation. I'll tell you more about them later in this video. Now, let's get into it. Alright, first step. Head over to jangipo.in. This is the platform we're using for this setup. Make sure to select the first link. Before you continue, make sure your web browser is Google Chrome because this website works best on Chrome. Other browsers like Brave, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and Opera may not function properly on the platform. Now, create your account. Once your account is created, you'll automatically be signed in. Quick tip, this platform contains a lot of ads, and honestly, that's probably the most annoying part of using it. So just be careful not to click random pop-ups while navigating the site. Once you're on the homepage, click on Launch Dashboard. Before we continue, there are a few settings we need to adjust here. What you need to do now is click on Generate AnyDesk, and your session will begin loading. Also, make sure to download the AnyDesk application and install it on your PC. But before installing it, always make sure you download the software from the official AnyDesk website for safety reasons. While our session continues loading, let me quickly show you something that honestly saves a lot of stress when you're dealing with software installations and activations. If you've ever tried buying Windows, Office, or other software licenses online, you already know how expensive they can get. And sometimes, you're not even sure if the key you're buying is actually legitimate. So recently, I've been using a platform called KeysFan. It's basically a marketplace where you can get affordable software keys with online activation support, and the whole process is pretty simple. You just head over to the website, search for the software you need, whether it's Windows or Office, choose your preferred version, and apply the coupon code COBBY50 to get 50% off Windows products or COBBY62 to get 62% off Office products. After that, complete your purchase using PayPal or a credit card. Once your payment is complete, your activation key is delivered instantly, and you can activate your software online right away. What I personally like is that it helps reduce the cost significantly compared to normal retail pricing, and the process is straightforward. No complicated setup, no confusing activation process. Just purchase, receive your key, and activate your software. So, if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description below. Upgrade your PC without overpaying. With KeysFan, you can get genuine Windows and Office activation keys at budget-friendly prices in just minutes. Fast delivery. Easy activation. No stress. Whether you're building a new setup, upgrading your laptop, or reinstalling Windows, KeysFan has you covered. And now that your system is fully activated and ready to go, let me show you the main trick I promised in today's video. And seriously, pay attention to this part. There are a lot of fake and pirated websites pretending to be keysfan.com right now. Some use similar domain names, different endings, or slightly changed spellings to trick people into buying from the wrong place. So if you're planning to purchase anything, always double-check that you are on keysfan.com and nothing else. Any other domains or suffixes are fake and could lead to scams, stolen payments, or invalid products. To make things easier, I've placed the official KeysFan link in the description below, so use that directly if you're unsure. Don't risk losing your money to imitation sites. Alright, now let's get back to the main tutorial. In less than 3 minutes, our session was ready along with our login credentials, as you can see here. Now, copy your ID, open the AnyDesk application, paste the ID into AnyDesk, and press Enter. Next, you'll be asked to enter the console or user account password. Simply copy the Windows Cloud password provided on the platform, choose one of the available accounts, select Console, and click Connect. And within a few seconds, your cloud desktop should launch successfully. This platform provides educational remote access services, and eligible students may qualify for faster access or activation depending on availability. The bonus free cloud server I want to share with you is called App on Fly. Just search it on Google and open the official page. The setup is surprisingly fast. You can get started in about 30 seconds, with no downloading, no installation, and no long waiting process. In most cases, there's even no need to sign up or manually log in to try it. Just click on Start Free Trial, and you'll be taken straight into the environment automatically. Keep in mind, this isn't a permanent server. Each session usually lasts around 30 minutes to an hour, depending on usage. Inside, you'll notice a system running on AMD EPYC 9174F16 core processor, 64-bit architecture, x64 base setup. The RAM is on the lower side, so you'll need to manage it carefully, but for light tasks, it still works. The internet speed also isn't the fastest, at least from my experience. But for quick testing, small tasks, or just exploring how cloud environments work, it gets the job done. If you try it out, I'd honestly be curious to hear what your experience is like. Drop it in the comments and compare results. This tutorial was fully accurate at the time of recording. However, server providers and online platforms constantly update or modify their systems, so some steps or features may change over time for future viewers. Now, if you're looking for a more stable and long-term Windows VPS with full remote desktop access, this might actually interest you. Interserver Windows VPS offers Windows VPS hosting starting at around $3 per month. Basically, you get your own remote Windows server that stays online 24/7. That means you can run automation tools, applications, ASP.NET projects, trading software, or anything else that requires a persistent Windows machine running continuously online. So that's basically it. You've seen how to set everything up from start to finish and get your remote desktop running. If it worked for you, then you're good to go. Just keep in mind, these platforms can change at any time, so if something looks different later, it's usually just an update on their side. Big thanks to KeysFan for sponsoring this video. They provide affordable software keys with online activation support, and if you want to learn more, you can check the link in the description below. If you found this helpful, I've got more methods and setups like this, so stay tuned. See you in the next one.